In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Copilot using the new 2026 method. To get started, open the main web browser on your computer. You can use whichever browser you normally prefer. Once it's open, head over to the official Microsoft website, or if your device uses an app store for downloads, you can go there instead. The most important thing here is to make sure you're using an official source so you install the correct version safely and avoid any unofficial downloads. When you're on the Microsoft website or inside your App Store, click into the search bar and type Microsoft Copilot, then press Enter. This will bring up the results so you can find the official application page. Take a moment to check that you've selected the real Microsoft Copilot listing before moving forward. That helps make sure you're downloading the right app and not a similar looking result. Next, click the Download or Get button. This will start downloading the installer file to your device. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. If you're using an app store, the process may begin automatically as soon as you click the button. Just wait for the download to complete before moving on to the next part. Once the download is finished, open your Downloads folder and locate the file you just downloaded. After you find it, double-click the file to launch the installation process. If your computer asks for permission to allow the installer to make changes, go ahead and approve it so the setup can continue. Now follow the on-screen prompts. In most cases, this part is very simple. You'll usually just click Next, then agree if a license or terms screen appears, and continue through the setup until the installation is complete. Read each screen briefly as you go so you know what's being confirmed, but overall, this should be a straightforward process. After the installation finishes, open Microsoft Copilot from your desktop or from the Start menu. When the app launches, sign in using your Microsoft account so you can begin using its features. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start exploring the app and using Copilot on your device. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you need any more help.